Today I'm going to show you how to remove in and out markers in DaVinci Resolve. This is a quick fix that clears your timeline markers when you no longer need them, giving you a clean workspace to continue editing. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads, you'll be greeted with your project library or the last project you were working on. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and open the project where you need to clear those markers. Now at the bottom of your screen, you'll see several tabs for different sections of DaVinci Resolve. Click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have full access to your timeline and all the editing tools you need. The Edit page is where most of your cutting, trimming, and marker management happens, so this is the right place to be. Once you're in the Edit page, take a look at your timeline. You can see that you have in and out markers visible on your footage. These markers are useful when you're selecting specific portions of your clip to work with, but sometimes they get in the way or you simply don't need them anymore. That's where this next step comes in handy. At the top of your screen, locate the menu bar and click on Mark. This menu contains all the options related to markers and selection points in your timeline. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Clear In and Out. This command instantly removes both the in and out markers from your timeline, giving you a clean slate without any selection boundaries. And that's it. Your in and out markers are now completely removed from your timeline. This simple action helps you reset your workspace and prepares you for the next editing task without any leftover markers cluttering your view. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.